Hello, it's Sunde from Sunde White Industries with another hot tip for your creative brain. Today, my hot tip is to always be willing to start over, which I think is an amazing metaphor for life, but also for art, because sometimes I see people draw things or paint things, which is awesome and wonderful, but like maybe like an arm is too short, or it's like there's so many great things about it, but there's just something like off about it. And I always think to myself, they probably reworked it and redrew it and erased it and drew the arm over and over again, and it just like never quite worked. And sometimes it's such a great thing to do to just paint over it, start over, throw it right in the trash, because first of all, that gives you a mindset. If you're always willing to do that, you know what, at any time, this is trash. Like, it gives you an experience of just experimentation, so that you're always willing to try new things, to not get stuck in a rut of what you're making. Sometimes I notice some artists it's great to have your own style, but sometimes they just revisit the same thing. And I think that's because it's hard to try something new and to make your brain jump over to have a fresh start and do something totally new. So my advice today is to always be willing to throw away what you're working on and start fresh, because it gives you a nice open mindset to do art, which is what you need anyway. And it makes you think that you're just there to learn and experiment, which is great also. And then finally, it's just like sometimes things aren't working. Sometimes it's just not right, and you just need to start over and start fresh. So that's my advice. Always be willing to start over. And you'll notice that it will give you a lightness to your art and a freedom to it. And it makes it more fun to just be like, this thing straight in the trash can, circular file, because it kind of like just releases you to just be like, it's just for fun. It's just fun. If it doesn't work out, start over. No biggie. So that's my hot tip for today. Always be willing to start over. Follow me on Instagram, Sunde White Industries, or go to my website, sundewhiteindustries.com, because you can always see what I'm up to, or subscribe to this channel so you can always get more hot tips. Have a great one.